Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Flourish with me. My name is First Lady John Kwakazaga. Hey, today I bring una ogbonge solution to your that cough wey dey worry you tey wey dey cough. Some people say if dem dey cough, dem go come dey even dey mess dey join am. Today I don bring una everlasting solution. When I mean solution, this one na things wey be say we dey use am for our house. E just dey our environment. You fit get am for any shop, you know. So before we start, we go sing one small song. Solution don come, solution don come, solution don come to that cough. Solution don come, solution don come, solution don come to that cough. Solution don come, eh, solution don come. Sing solution don come, eh. Solution don come, solution don come, solution don come to that cough. We don sing finish, you know. So now, wetin we need for this recipe na, see am, lime. Now everybody know lime now, lemon. Everybody know am. Na two we go use because for my house nobody dey cough. I just wan use am teach us. Then we get, see am, garlic. Garlic dey very very powerful, very very medicinal. Okay. Then see am, ginger. Ginger. This one na the fresh one. Then we get bitter kola. I don already teach us the spiritual benefit of bitter kola. This one, see now, this one na the one of the health benefits. I go dey dish am out. I say I got you people covered. Una no underestimate wetin I fit do. Hey, solution don come, solution don come, solution don come to that. Solution don come, solution don come, solution don come to that cough. After this recipe, believe you me, oh my God, una no go dey say una wan go dey buy cough syrup again. Lie. I mean dey tell you, wait my teach una finish. This one na tested and trusted, and I want make una test this. Make after I don teach una finish, make una go practice am. If you practice am, snap am just the way you see am like this, the way you take do am, snap am, send am to me. I go drop my WhatsApp number. Send am to me and go give that person urgent 2k for free. Make sure you follow me, like, share this video, share am to groups, you know. Then you come collect your urgent 2k. If I no give una that 2k, if you don snap and send am for me for WhatsApp, for my WhatsApp number, and I see am, you go write your name. If you don do am finish and I no send am, and I no send your 2k, unfollow me. Yes, na the challenge wey I keep be that. I give una 3 days to do am. 3 days to do am. 3 days to do am. After that 3 days, e don finish o. So back to business. Make we add honey. Honey dey very very important. Honey dey very very good for body. I go teach una wetin honey dey do for body, but na for another video. Make we go do all these things. Just 2, then 3, tummy, tummy. E don finish. Then see the amount of garlic we go use. Make we go blend and come back. We dey come. So guys, we are back. We are back from the kitchen. See, this one na the garlic. See as I don grate am, see am. See the way e be. Go carry our garlic. Oya, we put our garlic here. You work. Go turn am here. Keep am. See our turn. After we don blend am finish, we don, na no blender, na grind. I grind am for my small mortar. We turn am here. See am. We turn am here. Of course, una know this one now, abi? This one na our bitter kola wey we don already grind. We don already grate am. Just grate am, you know. We just pour am again. We don add our bitter kola. We don add our ginger. No, see our ginger. Na dry ginger na I wan use for this recipe. I no wan touch this one. This one na the fresh one. Just see am. It depends on the amount, on the quantity. Sorry, it depends on the quantity wey you wan make. So we have added almost everything. But please, if you know that you have ulcer, this recipe is not for you. Please go and buy cough syrup. Blend them together. Mix everything together. Our ginger, we don't put our ginger here. We don't put our garlic here. We don't put our tom here. So this one now na garlic, ginger, tom and our bitter kola wey we don already blend. And then with this, we mix and make everything dey okay. We mix am. Then the next one we go put na our lime. Try this recipe, try am, and share this video, share am. 22k for 3 days. 22k 3 days. Share to groups. Then follow me, comment, and like. 22k for 3 days. But the criterion be say you go, the way I take do am like this, go snap and send am to my WhatsApp. I go drop my WhatsApp for comment section. Two k for 3 days. I will start counting from the day I drop this video. Squeeze out the water. No wan make this video too dey long o. Na I know say cough no dey let person sleep. Cough no dey let person sleep. So see am now, something don get better. And the next thing you go do, depend if you wan do maybe the one you go put this thing, this plate. You go make all your things, you go plenty pass this one. This one I just dey use am dey teach us. Just dey use am dey teach people, make dem learn. No be say anybody dey cough for my house. But this one, I no dey buy cough syrup. If my husband dey cough, na wetin I dey do for am be this. If my neighbor dey cough, na wetin I dey do for am be this. Then the next thing, you just add your honey. Add your honey. Add your honey. Honey is very good, very medicinal. We still teach you na health benefit of honey. We still do that video by God's grace. And the honey go plenty pass sha. So na 2 spoon I don add. See, I don't know. Like I say, just 3 spoons of honey. 3 spoons of honey. To get us, I no try am o. Promise una say I go tell now. The food wey ulcer patient go avoid. To get ulcer, I go tell you the food wey you need to avoid. So we don mix am finish. our ginger, our garlic, our honey, our lime, and our bitter kola. Everything na in dey here. So go see the way the cup go run away. When you just find container, better container, just pour am there. Don finish. That's all. That's why you go see the cup. Just take am 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the afternoon, 1 spoon in the evening. That's all. See am, just this tablespoon. See am, this spoon, you don finish, and the cup go be history. If you try am, snap am, send am for me for WhatsApp. I go send you your 2k, and drop your comment for comment section, please. Bye guys, thank you for watching. I love you all.